Hello friends, I'm introducing Solid Bond SB-22 adhesive in white color, a Type 2, N Standard C2T and IS-15477 certified, polymer-modified, cement-based tile adhesive. Developed by Premium Ceramics, Solid Bond stands for precision, performance, and trust. It's engineered to meet the highest professional standards for modern tile installations. SB-22 is specially designed for vitrified internal and external wall and floor applications, as well as tile-on-tile installations. It's suitable for vitrified tiles, porcelain tiles, and granite fixing on windows and door frames, with vertical applications up to 10 feet. SB-22 offers 30 minutes of extended open time, giving installers the flexibility needed for perfect alignment. Its excellent slip resistance property ensures tiles stay firmly in place, even on vertical surfaces. The white formulation makes it ideal for light or decorative tiles, ensuring a clean, elegant finish every time. Formulated with an environment-friendly composition, Solid Bond SB-22 ensures safe handling and sustainable construction practices. At a 3 mm bed thickness, 120 kg bag covers approximately 4.5 to 5 square meters, maximizing efficiency and minimizing waste. With a 12-month shelf life, SB-22 retains its bonding integrity when stored in a cool, dry, and covered place. Each bag delivers consistent, professional-grade performance designed to last. Solid Bond SB-22, the trusted choice for lasting installations. By Premium Ceramics, a premium tile company of India. Made in India, made for the world.